Fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is how I made this corn into in my place we called it ekusu. In Edo State it's called ekusu. So I don't know what it's called in English, but I would just say corn moimoi. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, I've washed and I have de-seeded it. I guess that's the word. Okay, and I'm about to wash it and just take it to go and blend it. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So here I've added my tomato, onion, crayfish and pepper, and I'm about to go and blend it. If your blender can do this, then why not? I use a commercial blender. And yeah, we're back from there. We're about to add salt. I've added Maggie cubes. You can use any seasoning of your choice. And yeah, let's stir. Give it a good stir. You want to stir this. You don't want any part to be sweeter than some part, so you want to give it a good stir. Yeah, I'm showing you guys. Yeah, I've added oil for color. This is so yummy, guys. It's so delicious. I'd like to know if you tried this recipe. If you end up trying this, let me know. You can tag me so that I'll see what you did. I know, before you come and tell me in the comment section, I know you're not supposed to use nylon, you're not supposed to use this, but hey, this is what I have at the moment. That's why I'm using it. Okay, and I do not know how to wrap that wrapper, that leaf stuff. I don't know how to do that, so I'm just using what I have right now. But if you can use the leaf, why not? That one is so yummy. Yeah, I just place it on the fire. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes and we will be back. If you have watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, hey girl, hey boy, hey mommy, please subscribe, like this video. It helps me a lot. Yeah, our food is ready. Yummy. So yummy. You have no idea. This was my best food when I was a kid.
You know if the food is ready to buy, you don't even, you know you cook moimoi, when it's thick, that's when you know that the food is ready. If you now put up the gas, just to dish for everybody, and these are dinner.